We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is the Emergency Missing Child Alert, a Levi Call, Georgia Amber Alert. The Harrison County Sheriff Office and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a black Dodge Charger. On February the 4th, 2022, Brandon Dobb, a 4-year-old black male, 3 feet tall, weighing 40 pounds, was abducted by Antronita Boyd Dobbs, a 42-year-old black female, 5 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 165 pounds, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information of the whereabouts of Brandon Dodge or the black Dodge Charger, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the Georgia Bureau of Investigation tip line, 1-800-597-TIPS, and or a See or Seen app for iPhones and Android users.